Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. Today actually I had something else in mind to talk about. Then I saw this interesting article about Toyota and I thought we'll talk about Toyota. The reason why I want to talk about Toyota is some fantastic news which has come out from Toyota India, that is. Toyota India has really performed well. The profit they've made is actually more than the profit of the last 10 years combined. So if you take up from financial year of 2014 till now and you add it up, the previous 10 years profit is what's been made in a single year. And that is some phenomenal numbers Toyota has put out. And this is one of the main reasons Anand says we should be keeping Toyota in consideration, especially in the Japanese market, because the company is so undervalued right now in the Japanese market. And he strongly encourages those of you who are interested in investing in the American market and Japanese markets to get in touch with the trader. And his link is there below in the video to get in touch with him so you can take this opportunity and not miss out on this opportunity to participate in what is going to, in future, be a very important company, and it will definitely be making strides as the years go on. And this is very apparent in what Toyota India has pulled off. And what are the factors for this? Well, one of the main factors is what Anand has always been saying is contributed to this huge growth in Toyota is, of course, the K-shaped recovery. If you see the portfolio of cars and the price range which Toyota sells at, it starts at 27 lakhs onwards. Innova starts at 14 lakhs, but Innova has always been considered like a taxi. But the Fortuners and the Chryslas and the other ones are the ones which are the premium segment, and they are really running numbers up there. People are willing to wait for even 6 months for a Fortuner, and that is now going at the top end. Fortuner is now going at 51 lakhs today. So these high sales and high volumes are all thanks to the K-shaped recovery and is contributing largely to their bottom line. The other major factor what has led to this recovery is they tie up with Suzuki. Toyota owns 5% of Suzuki. That makes them the third largest shareholder in Suzuki as published data is. The others are, of course, the Bank of Japan, the Master Trust, they own the trust account, and the custodian of the trust account, they own around 6 and 15% each. Then, of course, comes Toyota Motor Corporation, which owns 5% of Suzuki. Suzuki also has cross-holding in Toyota Global. So they have this inner relationship, but both of them operate independently, but they do have a working partnership now. Under this working partnership, this Make in India strategy, which has been deployed in India by these companies, they're trying to cross-pollinate their car brands on models, especially on each other. And Toyota has taken Suzuki's models and rebrand them, and they've been doing very well. The famous one where it started was the Maruti Suzuki Baleno, which became the Toyota Glanza in 2019. After that, seeing the results from that, they've been slowly moving on and bringing more of Suzuki's models into Toyota. So those of you who are into car aficionados will be able to definitely dive into it in greater detail and discuss how and what are the same and what are different. I'm just glancing over this broadly because I'm looking at just the numbers and the business angle of it. Of course, they do have the Land Cruiser and they have the Fire. We can definitely see many more fires on the road in Chennai especially, and also the Land Cruisers. Both of these are premium models and they go into crores if you talk about the top end cars. And just the mere fact that you can see more fires in Chennai especially is really testament for the K-shaped recovery which India is going to. And that is what has also contributed again to this. The third factor, which according to this article seems to be the shift in Toyota's strategy towards the rise of hybrids. Hybrids are cars which operate with battery and diesel or petrol. And this shift has also helped them make a huge dent in the market. Right now, Toyota seems to be catching up with Kia and has overtaken Kia. And also another factor to take into consideration is, as far as the foray into electric cars are concerned, Toyota and Suzuki have partnership and they've created their own electric car platform, which more details will be shared as it comes more and more closer to the market. So this have all contributed in terms of this product and the sales. Another thing which has really improved is they've really worked hard on their dealer and dealership expansion. Their network has been very productive, as they say, in India right now. And that has been another major contribution towards Toyota's success currently in India. Now, what is the road ahead for Toyota India? Well, according to Yoshimura, the Toyota Kirloskar managing director, the CEO of the regional Toyota Motor Corporation, He says Toyota never had such a capacity issue in the last 2 years, 2.5 decades, because its capacity is underutilized till 2019, which is the Suzuki story came together. So they feel they are on the cusp of really exploding in the market and really taking pole position, as they say, in racing. And the road ahead seems to be paved in gold as far as Toyota is concerned. So looking ahead, there are many more models which are going to be coming, is what he's promised. Toyota is famous for doing a lot of market research and launching cars. Yes, they did fail with Etios and Yaris in 2010 and 2018 because both those models failed to gain any traction. But after seeing the success they have had with the Suzuki partnership, they are confident in their new launches which are coming out this year. So what does this all mean? Well, this is all great if I was a car channel and I was talking about car models and I'm a car enthusiast. Yes, I do like cars, but I'm not an enthusiast like the boys behind the camera are. Mine is purely from investment opportunity. And let me offer you some further information and of trivia and some insight into why Anand also talks about this again and again. Toyota Kirloskar in India is owned by Manasi Tata. Manasi Tata is the daughter of Vikram Kirloskar, who is a man who brought Toyota into India. And she owns 11% of this company, and she is the daughter-in-law of Noel Tata. So there's a strong relationship there, and between the Tatas and the Toyotas and the Kirloskar, thanks to this. And this is another reason to give you a vote of confidence if you're thinking about investing in this company, Toyotas. As you always know, Tatas would do their due diligence. The Kirloskar also do their due diligence. So this is one of the other reasons why Anand said this is something for you to take into consideration. The main reason why I wanted to talk about this is Anand's always told us the opportunity that lies in the Japanese market and in Toyota and Suzuki there. The reason why we're talking about the Japanese market is, and the stocks, especially in Japan, is they are currently undervalued in terms of price to earning, and they're being given away for literally for free, as Anand says. And these are huge global companies with their networks spread across the entire globe, where they're making huge sums of money, like what Toyota has done in India. And all that money goes back to Toyota Japan, the parent company, and it's all earnings for them over there. So there's a huge potential there. So if you are interested and you have the capacity, like Anand says, to invest at least minimum 5 lakhs a year outside in the Indian market, because the reason why we're saying 5 lakhs is that is the threshold. If you do all the maths behind it, the tax and everything that has to be paid with the current structure we have, you should at least have minimum 5 lakhs to really look at it and to see growth in it. 5 lakhs a year, that is. Then definitely reach out to the link below to Trader. That link will definitely get in touch with his team. They will get in touch with you and help you get set up so you can start investing in the American markets. This is not only the Toyotas and Suzuki, there's just the tip of the iceberg. Their team has a whole bunch of other companies which they're looking at, which in coming videos I'll try and talk about one by one, so you can also see what are the opportunities for investing outside India, especially in the Japanese stock market. Thanks for watching the video today. I do hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Do share this with friends and families, especially those of whom would be interested in investing in the American and Japanese equity markets. And like my brother says, he does have a Hindi channel out. It's called Paisa Boltha Hai, where he talks in Hindi. I do join him in the weekends over there, where we talk about Indian stocks and Indian shares. And if you know anyone who would be interested in Hindi content, that is, please share that video, Paisa Boltha link with them. Even if you don't know Hindi, I strongly urge you to subscribe to the channel to help us support, so my boys can watch the growth in the channel, and that will give them cause for celebration. Again, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you again tomorrow.
Hey guys, welcome back to Be Rich. Before we get into the video, I wanted to bring to your notice that my uncles VinodSrinivasan, Anand Srinivasan and I have rolled out our Substack, which is basically a blog / newsletter where we're going to post our original research onto it, and we've analyzed macroeconomic trends. And a lot of you know my uncle Anand Srinivasan and I regularly write for the Hindu, and these articles are also going to be made available for you in the Substack. The link is moatinvesting.substack.com. You'll find it in the description and in the video right now. We hope you go check it out. We've put a lot of time and effort into it. And please give us comments and feedback on what you read. Thank you.
It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.